Hey everyone, is your iPhone's personal hotspot constantly disconnecting? Don't worry, you're not alone. This problem can happen for a variety of reasons like software bugs, career settings, or even device compatibility issues, but the good news is I've got a bunch of solutions to help you fix it and keep that connection stable. Let's jump right into it and get things working smoothly. Solution 1. Enable Maximize Compatibility. If your personal hotspot isn't working well with other devices, enabling Maximize Compatibility might solve the issue. Here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service, depending on your region. Select Personal Hotspot from the menu. Turn on the Maximize Compatibility options. After that, leave the Personal Hotspot screen open while connecting other devices. Solution 2. Restart your personal hotspot. Restarting your network and hotspot can often clear up connection issues. Follow these steps. Open the Settings app, then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Turn off airplane mode to refresh your network. Next, tap cellular or mobile data options. Select personal hotspot and turn it off, then turn it back on. After that, restart your iPhone to ensure all changes take effect. Solution 3. Turn off low data mode. Low data mode can sometimes interfere with your hotspot connection. To disable it, open the Settings app, tap cellular or mobile data, then select mobile data options. Now turn off low data mode. And that's it. By following these steps, your personal hotspot should stay connected without any interruptions. If you still face problems, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our helpful guides. See you in the next one. Take care.